Hello and welcome to Saturday's video. I have the new barbecue sandwich here, and it has the barbecue sauce and everything on it. Let's try it. I accidentally took a bite from my thumbnail. There's a piece of chicken sticking out. It's not bad. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. Me, not so much. My night started out pretty good, at work and everything, and then it just pretty much went down the toilet. I mean, we weren't like totally slammed per se. We just people kept buying a bunch of sandwiches, and we had like 3 or 4 online orders, so but that's really good. I mean, I clocked out at, let me see if this is today's. Yeah, I clocked out at 9:19, and yeah. But it's not part of the video, but I also got some onion rings. My daughter was going to get me a pretzel from the fair. Yeah, I've been craving one all day. I was thinking about them all day. I guess I went up to the stand and people told me, "Right, pretzels." I don't know. But I missed my Frito chili pie this year. The library has the best, our Benton County Library has the best Frito chili pie in Benton County. But well, I'm over here just eating away on my food. I'm gonna end it here. I don't even know if I'll eat this. I made my daughter give me her sub. Well, I don't know if I'll be able to finish all of my sandwich, but I hope everyone has a great rest of your Saturday night and your Sunday. And I'll be having another video next week, trying different stuff. But if you like this video, click the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and yeah, take care.